welcome back to my channel.
Did y'all see that I got a real intro now? Do you guys like it? Then the other one, please let me know, please, because I think it's dope.
As you can see, I already have one of my eyes done, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. So first, I already prepped my skin, so yeah. So first you're gonna go with concealer. Sorry, I haven't been posting a lot. All this coronavirus shit is annoying, especially from my job. So, yeah. That's why I haven't been posting because of all of that. And because
A bitch be tired.
okay. So we're gonna take the Alien palette and we're gonna be taking a M441 and we're gonna be going into Abduction and add that to only half your crease. We're gonna go with a M506 and we're gonna go into Flying Saucer. And we're gonna carefully do like outline the crease with it. Then we're gonna go into the 39L Hit the Lights Morphe palette, and we're gonna be taking this green. We're gonna kind of mix it in between both of them. So now we're gonna be going into, if I can find it, we're just gonna be using this M456 and we're gonna be going into Foreplay. And then we're gonna get Blue Blood and we're gonna get Blue Monday. Then we're gonna go into Purple Punch. The next one we're going to be using is Area 51. Now we're gonna go into the Morphe X Jeffree Star in JS6. We're gonna go back into the Alien palette and we're gonna be going into Alien. Just to make it a little bit lighter, we're going to be going into Blue Blood and we're going to be going into Cullen. And then with the Morphe M456, we're going to be going into Oral, and we're also going to mix it with Cullen. And then for the green and purple eyeliner that I did, I used the Neon face paint or face and body paint from wherever this is. I got them off Amazon, so I think it was like a pack of 6 or 12, I don't remember. So I'm gonna do my lashes liner and my face off camera, so I'll be back.
Like the very smart person I am, I forgot to record the end. And so here I am showing you pictures and muted videos because everybody was asleep in my house and all you could hear was snoring because it was fucking like 10 o'clock and everybody was asleep. And so yeah, here's how it came out. I added some little rhinestones and added these lashes, very big. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. I'm sorry it didn't have an ending or an end to it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
New money though. Young retro, don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. Hey! Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.